If you like two wheels, exploring new areas, and going riding, this is the right place for you. Today we're exploring Onyx Off-Road app to find new trails in the Phoenix, Arizona area. It's that time of year here in Arizona, and I want to learn the area because I've really only ridden tracks my whole life and sand dunes. This video series is all about going and finding desert areas in Phoenix to ride your dirt bike, to show you where is good, where is not good, and share my experience exploring with you so that you know exactly where to go ride if you're already into motocross, dirt bikes, or if you're new to it, you're gonna know where to go. Sit back, enjoy, and let's go riding. As you can see, we're in the United States. We're headed to Phoenix, Arizona, where I live, and these are all a bunch of trails. It's super hectic. Head into town. You have Apache Junction right here, and we head out here to the kind of county limits. We have this little trail that starts with this main staging area where we park, and then we drive through this gate, which you have to pay a $6 fee every 6 months, and then it gives you a code in your email on the site for the government in Arizona, and it will give you a OHV padlock code. We head up through these trails, check out this area. We didn't do any crazy loop or anything because I was doing a shakedown on my bike because I just got it back together, as you might have seen on the channel. But the fun area is when you pull through here and then take a left. So let's get into riding. We did explore left up here, get on this road. We kind of went up Bulldog Canyon a little bit, and then we also went right up here and saw this area over here. So gonna do a better job recording, explaining where we went. I'll do that better next time I have the Onyx app where I can record where we go. So the next episode you'll get to see that, and look forward to it and a little bit more riding. So Dylan couldn't make it, so Parker's wearing Dylan's gear, so it looks like he is here, and it looks like a watermelon. All right, first ride of the season. So going straight through this gate, we just followed this road straight for a while just to go look around. I realized right away that the dirt is really slick, especially with 15 pounds in my rear tire, because I don't want to have any tubes being pinched or anything like that. Find these little wash type roads, then we kind of come up on some ledges, on top of some little higher areas, and it was really slick right here. Rain ruts everywhere. There was this little like area kind of where some people were camping right here, and it was kind of fun. It was up, down, through this little area. The GoPro is such a wide angle, it kind of doesn't show elevation very well. So keep that in mind, it's a little bit more dramatic in person. Now we're heading up this road to the top of the mountain where it looks like there's some cell phone towers. I was staring at the rock the whole time, and then you just go straight into it.
Oh,
cool. Way too much air in our tires, had to let some out.
That was sketchy. I was like, no.
It's not stopping. Parker's valve stem got hung up for sec, so it wouldn't stop. Kind of funny. For a second, we were like, uh-oh, we're about to lose all his air. So at this point, this is so new to us, we're just cruising around aimlessly, trying to learn the area, coming across a lot of rocks, which at first I didn't know how I felt about, but when I got home a couple days later, I was like, that was kind of fun. Technical, very different than what I'm used to.
I've never really ridden rocks like that. It's like mountain biking, but crazier.
Now we're kind of headed back to where we came from to see if there's any type of different area. And we need to get some gas.
So we got this time, we're gonna go out here and take a left, see if it's any flowier. See if we can find some fun trails.
This area is a little bit more fun, and later in the day we just came back and hit it a bunch of times and gained some speed. It was a blast. Now this is the road. It just loops all the way back around by these campgrounds and it takes you back to the main gate. We could have hit it backwards, but I was just following Parker.
Why do you get this one trail that goes like that?
We were looking for like a main like Jeep trail to go take us to some new areas, so we kind of went across this little wash area.
First time? What do you think?
Pretty solid for just a quick afternoon.
Yeah, close to the house. It's all right. Oh, you can see the whole thing right here.